Okay, let's start with the class. Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Manisha Verma, and I'll be teaching you the divisibility tests that are being used in mathematics to solve the questions quickly. In case we want to know some digit is whether that digit is divisible by a specific number or not, then we use these tests to find out whatsoever is the length of the number. That doesn't matter. We'll be able to find out from these tricks whether that number is divisible by that specific number or not. Let's start with the topic. Well, what is divisibility? As we all know, divisibility means to divide, whether that number is completely divisible by the other number or not, right? And yesterday we had discussed some of the divisibility tests. I'll just go through them quickly so that those who have joined now can learn the same thing now again. Now let's divide 36 by 5. We need to do this traditional method of division for this. हमें ये traditional method अपनाना पड़ेगा जिससे कि हम देखेंगे कि डिविडेंड को रख के और डिवाइजर की हेल्प से हम देखेंगे कि 5 7s are 35 minus 1 remainder is 1. That means that this 36 is not divisible by 5, right? Next we move on to 12. 12 divided by 2. The answer is 6 and remainder is 0. That means this is completely divisible. Now suppose if I give you a 10-digit long number and you have to follow this method to find out whether that number is going to be divided by that specific number or not. In that case what we will do? We will follow the divisibility tests. Right? See the big numbers? In this case, you cannot follow the traditional method. In this method, in these types of numbers, we need to find out the answer by the tricks, the tests. What are the tests?
Ma'am?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, I have joined now, so can you repeat this again?
Beta, we are revising yesterday's topic. We'll go through quickly yesterday's topic and then we will start with the leftover topic. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Divisible means it should be a number is divisible by another number means there should be no remainder. The remainder should be 0. So 12 divided by 2. In that case, 12 is divided by 2 completely. And the question is 6 as we all know. Similarly, 15 is divisible by 3. Right? Then we move on to divisibility test by 2, 5 and 10. What are the tricks? Let's see them. To check a divisibility by 2, अगर हमें ये देखना है whether a number is divisible by 2 or not, then we have to see the last digit. That means the ones place, the digit at ones place. It should either be 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Fine. The units digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then it is divisible by 2. Let's do two questions of this. Let's see whether this is divisible by 2 or not. See, this is a 6-digit number and I'll find out whether it is divisible by 2 or not. This is the units place. Okay. Now see, this is 9. Is it 0? No. Is it 2? No. Is it 4? No. Is it 6? No. Is it 8? No. That means this is not divisible by 2. Okay. This is not divisible by 2. Let's put a cross here. Then we take this digit. See the units place? It is 4. Yes, this is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 2. Sorry. Fine. Now let's move further. Divisibility by 5. In this case, we have to see the units place, that is the ones place, and the digit should either be 0 or it should be 5. Then only the number is divisible by 5. Let's do two questions of this. See, the digit is 5. The ones place digit is 5. That means this is divisible by 5. Now see this one. This is 4. No, this is not 0 or 5. That means this is not divisible by 5. ये 0 या 5 नहीं है. इसकी ones की place 0 या 5 नहीं है. इसका मतलब है कि ये 5 से पूरी तरह divide नहीं होगा. Okay. Next we come to divisibility by 10. Now in this case, the last digit should be 0. The ones place digit should be 0. Let's do an example. See. Let's check for all, right? Let's see this place. This is 5. Is this divisible by 2? No, this is not 0, not 2, not 4, not 8. That means this is not divisible by 2. Let's see whether it is divisible by 5 or not. This is 5. For 5, yes. It should be 0. For 5, it should be 0 or 5. That means this is divisible by 5. Let's say whether it is divisible by 10 or not. Who will tell? Ananya, you tell me. Why this is not divisible by 10?
Because ma'am, in divisible of 10 there should be only 0.
At the ones place, last digit should be 0. So this is not divisible by 10. Now let's take another example. Let's see this digit, right? Jashan, will you tell me? Tell me whether this is divisible by 2. क्या ये 2 से divide होगा? Jashan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what about divisibility by 5? Whether this is divisible by 5 or not? ये देखिए 0 है या 5 है?
Ma'am, no.
No, okay. And whether this is divisible by 10 or not?
Ma'am, no.
No. Hope I am clear. Let's move further because these are the topics that we already covered in yesterday's lecture. We are just revising them. Okay. Now let's see divisibility by 3 and 9. How do we check divisibility by 3 and 9? For this, we have to sum up all the digits. Like we have to add up all the digits. हमें सारे digits को add कर लेना है. ठीक है? आप ये सारे digits को add कर लीजिए. 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4. Right? कितना आया sum? Sum आया 27. अब 27 को add up करिए. 2 plus 7 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. That means this whole number is divisible by 3. For divisibility with 3 and 9, we need to add up the digits and the resultant should be either the number or a multiple of that. That means कि अगर आपको 3 का चेक करना है तो या तो वो 3 होना चाहिए ऐड करने के बाद या 3 के टेबल में आना चाहिए. अगर आपको डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 9 चेक करनी है तो या तो वो 9 होना चाहिए या 9 के टेबल में आना चाहिए. Am I clear? I hope. Okay. 7, 6, 4. Let's add up. 7 plus 6 plus 4 is 17. So 17 is it divisible by 3? No, 17 doesn't come in table of 3. That means this is not divisible by 3. Okay. Now we move on further. Divisibility by 9. As I've already told you that it should be either the sum should either be 9 or it should be multiple of 9, right? So similarly, as we did for 3, similarly we can do for 9. Let's check in this. Ananya, will you tell me whether this is divisible by 3 or not? 6 plus 2 plus 7 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 is the sum. Whether this is divisible by 3?
Divisible.
Yes.
Yes.
This is divisible by 3. And what about 9?
It is not divisible by 9.
Yes, it is not divisible by 9. Very nice. And what about this digit? 3, 2, 7, 6. What is the sum? 5 plus
18.
7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Now, is 18 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 3, 6 are 18. Okay. And what about 9? Is 18 divisible by 9?
Yes, it is divisible by 9.
Yes. So that means this digit is divisible both by 3 and 9, right?
Yes.
Next, we move on to divisibility by 6. This we have to cover today. Rest we had already done in yesterday's class. That was a quick revision. Now we'll do divisibility by 6. Now what we have to do in divisibility by 6? See, अगर एक नंबर 2 से भी डिविजिबल है और 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, इसका मतलब है कि वो 6 से भी डिविजिबल है. ठीक है? तो इसके लिए what we will do, we will check whether a number is divisible by 2 and 3. That means there should be tick on both the digits. It should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. That means the number is divisible by 6, right?
Yes.
See, what we can say, the last digit is even. For a 2, multiple of 2, for a divisibility test by 2, if you remember, I told you it should be an even number. It should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means the number is divisible by 2, right? And the sum of the digits is 3 or a multiple of 3. That means it is divisible by 3. In other words, what we can say? It is divisible both by 2 and 3, right? Ananya, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
जशन, आपको समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Others also, प्रकार, आपको समझ आ रहा है? स्नेहा?
Yes, ma'am, समझ में आ रहा है.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's take an example for divisibility test for 6, right? Let's see this number. Now, this is divisible by 2 or not? Who will
Yes,
tell?
it is divisible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this
It is
is
divisible by 2. Yes.
Because the units digit is 8. It is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now let's see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Let's add up the
Yes,
digits.
Yes,
7
ma'am.
is 15. That means this is divisible by 3 also. Now see, both the ticks, that means it is divisible by 6 also. Right? Ananya, is that clear? Jashan, is that clear? Vandana, is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
clear? Kritika, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move on to the other digit, other number. Okay. Tell me whether this is divisible by 2 or not.
No, ma'am.
No, this is
Ma'am,
not
it is not
divisible.
divisible by 2.
And what about 3?
No.
No, the sum is 26. This is not divisible by 6 as well. Okay, let's take this number. Is this divisible by 2? Yes.
No.
Yes. Beta, please mute yourself. Hanji. Is this divisible by 2? Yes, this is divisible by 2. Right? Now let's see whether this is divisible by 3 or not. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. No, this is not divisible by 3. Whether now tell me whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. Jashan, you tell me. No. Because we need to have both the ticks here. It should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Then only it will be divisible by 6. Anji beta.
Ma'am, you have told this C part. So, ma'am, how you have done divisible of 6 by cross? When a digit of 6, which to multiply that the answer should cross or tick.
Beta, this I am checking divisibility for 2, for 3. आपने देखा मैंने डिविजिबिलिटी 2 की भी चेक करी और 3 की भी चेक करी. जब एक नंबर 2 से भी डिवाइड होगा और 3 से भी डिवाइड होगा तभी वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा. अगर इन दोनों में से वो किसी एक से हो रहा है और दूसरे से नहीं हो रहा है तो वो 6 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. ठीक है अनन्या?
यस
आपको
मैम.
क्लियर हुआ? मतलब उसको 2 से भी डिवाइड होना चाहिए पूरा और 3 से भी डिवाइड होना चाहिए तभी वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा. आई
Okay,
होप आई
ma'am.
एम क्लियर. ओके. Now we move on to divisibility by 4 and 8. Now what we have to do in 4? We have to check the last 2 digits, right? Remember, in 4 we have to check the 2 digits, last 2 digits, right? And we will check the last 2 digits and they should be divisible by 4. Okay? They should be divisible by 4. Let's check in this. Let's see the
Ma'am,
last
please
2 digits.
slide. Divisible by 4.
Ma'am, please
Okay.
show previous slide once again.
Okay, I'll just show it. See.
मैम 4 के में अगर if that number last two numbers is in the fourth table, so it will can be divisible.
Yes. Okay, I'll show you. See अनन्या, इसके दोनों लास्ट के डिजिट देखिए आप. 2 डिजिट्स देखने. जब हम फोर्थ की डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करेंगे ना तो हम ये लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स देखेंगे. इससे पहले हमने 1 डिजिट देखा था 2, 5 और 10 में, पर हम 4 में हम 2 डिजिट्स देखेंगे. तो 2 डिजिट्स पे हमने देखा कि ये डिवाइड हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है 4 से. देखो आप, ये 4 से डिवाइड 40 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. 4 into 10 is 40. That means this is divisible by 4, right? Now let's see this one. अब इसके दोनों देखिए आप. 88 डिवाइड होता है 4 से. आप करके
Yes,
देखिए
ma'am.
अनन्या. होता है
22
बेटा.
into
आप करके देखिए 88 को 4 से डिवाइड.
22 into 4 is 88.
आप हुआ ना डिवाइड.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या आया? 22,
That's
right? So this means this is divisible. Now let's say this one.
4.
Let's say this
Divisible.
one. See,
Ma'am, divisible.
right?
Yes.
And this is
Yes.
not divisible. Last one is not divisible, right? 82
Yeah.
is not divisible by 4. That means this one is not divisible by 4. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we will check for 8. Now what happens in 8? 4 में हमने क्या किया? 2 digits check किए एंड के. 8 में हम 3 digits check करेंगे. Okay? How many digits? Last 3 digits. ठीक है. हम जब लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स चेक करेंगे तो वो 8 से डिवाइड होने चाहिए. लेट्स से दिस वन. इसके लास्ट 3 डिजिट है 406. क्या ये डिवाइड होते हैं 8 से?
No.
नो.
No.
करो अनन्या बेटा, आप करके देखिए. सब लोग करके देखिए. क्या ये 8 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं?
No.
नो. नहीं हो रहे हैं. Okay? Is it done?
Yes.
Okay, let's move further. Ananya, is that clear? Jashan, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Kritika, I
Yes, ma'am.
hope. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is
Now,
clear.
okay. Now let's move further. 288. Now let's see whether this gets divided completely divisible by 8 or not. देखिए आप
Yes, ma'am,
288 को
divisible. Ma'am,
This
divisible.
is अनन्या किया आपने बेटा? (288) is divided by 8. 2 threes are 24. The remainder is 4. Then you drop down 8. It becomes 48. Then 8 6 are 48. Completely divide, no remainder. Is that done, Ananya? Sneha,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Jashan, Vandana, Kritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Prakhar, done? Okay. Should we move further?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's revise the rules once more. For divisibility by 2, last digit should be a even number. It should either be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, right?
Yes.
And for divisibility by 3, it should either, we have to add up the digits and the sum should either be 3 or a multiple of 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, Jashan, yes, Ananya, reply. I'm getting replies in chat box. Okay, for 4, we need to check last 2 digits, right? And they should be divisible by 4. For 4, we need to check last 2 digits and they should be divisible by 4. For divisibility by 5, what we need to have whether the number, the last digit, the ones place digit should either be 0 or 5, right? Then we come to 6. For 6, we need to check whether the number is divisible both by 2 and 3. When the number is divisible both by 2 and 3, the number is said to be divisible by 6, right?
Yes.
Then we come to 8. The number, we have to see the last 3 digits and they should be divisible by 8. वो 8 से completely divide होनी चाहिए 3 digits, last की 3 digits, right? And for 9, the sum of the digits should either be 9 or a multiple of 9. And for 10, the last digit should be 0. So, these were the divisibility tests. For 7, we don't have any accurate method. So, we do it by normal pen and pencil method. Okay? We don't have any trick for 7. I hope I am clear. If you people have any doubt, you can ask me. Anybody wants to ask anything? Or wants me to repeat something that he or she has not understood? Well, this was a demo class for divisibility test. In case you people want to continue, you can opt for the advanced courses as well for other maths topic. Starting from 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. As per your age, you can opt for them. You can watch me on my number, WhatsApp me on my number It's 8685 000 705. I hope I am clear.